Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails drinks at home without alcohol. First, gather your fresh ingredients. Think about vibrant fruits, aromatic herbs, and a touch of spice. Next, select your liquid bases, such as various juices, sparkling water, or even some excellent non-alcoholic spirits. Finally, make sure you have essential tools like a shaker and a muddler ready to go. Now, let's talk about building incredible flavors. The key is to balance sweet, sour, bitter, and spicy notes. Try infusing simple syrups with fresh herbs like mint or basil, or even a hint of ginger for a unique twist. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruit and vegetable juice combinations to discover your new favorite blend. With your ingredients ready, it's time to mix. Gently muddle fresh herbs or fruit slices in your glass to release their vibrant aromas and flavors. For ingredients that need a good chill and aeration, shake them vigorously with ice for about 15 seconds. For more delicate mixtures, a gentle stir with a bar spoon will create a perfectly smooth blend. Finally, elevate your mocktail with the perfect presentation. Garnish generously with fresh fruit slices, a sprig of fragrant herbs, or even some beautiful edible flowers. Choose attractive glassware that complements your drink. For an extra special touch, consider adding a decorative rim of sugar or salt to truly impress your guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.